Alright guys, so today we are looking at another new pair of headphones from Skullcandy. This is the Skullcandy Riff Wireless and it only retails for $50. So this puts this in a whole other price range than the ones that we've been looking at. Alright, so right off the bat, you can see that it is Bluetooth, it gets 12 hours of battery life, and it also has rapid charging where 10 minutes of charge time will give you 2 hours of playtime. Okay, so some people might not understand, but having rapid time is really awesome, especially if you pick your headphones up and they're dead. You simply charge it for 10 minutes to get 2 hours of battery life. It's just a nice bonus. Contents in here, you have the headphones, you have a USB charging cable, the user guide, and then it's a 2-year warranty. So just a USB charging cable. So there is no headphone cable. You can only use these wireless. So let's go ahead and check to see what's in the box. All right, as you can tell, the packaging really isn't anything fancy. I mean, it's just plastic. Yeah, there's nothing really to talk about there. And accessory wise, we have micro USB cable for charging, and like I said before, you do get 12 hours of battery life with these. All right, so taking these out of the packaging, the first thing you notice is they don't weigh anything at all. I mean, this is like as plastic as it gets. I mean, we're talking plastic extenders here, plastic headband, plastic arms. So obviously know that for $50, you're not getting the most durable pair of Bluetooth headphones. Now, I think that there's plenty of give. You have a big head and you throw them in the bag, and I think over time it'll be fine, but I think like one accident and these things probably are going to snap. As you can see, headband wise, there's no padding at all. But again, having a pair of headphones that weigh practically nothing, I don't think padding is actually necessary. As you can tell, these do fold in to a very small design. This is the navy blue and orange. They do have several other colors available online. I don't think I'm crazy about this speckled design here, but as you can see, the Skullcandy logo is right here on the side of the headband, right above where these swivel. As you can see underneath here, the actual padding of the ear pad is orange, so you can see it kind of coming through, but you can also see that there is the hole inside. So although these are like the grind wireless ear pads, this is extremely soft. And as far as comfort goes, I will say this right off the bat, these really don't feel like you're wearing anything at all. So wearing these for long periods of time is definitely not going to be an issue. All right, so everything is on the right hand side. Your micro USB port for charging, and then all of your controls are right here on these 3 buttons. This is your power button in the middle. It is also your pairing button, and it is your play and pause button. You have your volume up, your volume down, which also if you hold for 2 seconds will skip your tracks forward and then skip backwards. And then this is the notification light that will blink once the headphones are paired, or blink to show that it is in pairing mode. The only thing left we have to talk about, because we've went over the build quality and we've went over comfort, we've went over the controls, is how do these sound? So how did Skullcandy do with making a budget pair of wireless Bluetooth headphones for $50? Sound signature fits what I like. I like my bass boosted. I would have liked a little bit more mids. Treble was actually really good. The one thing I definitely want to point out is I felt like volume could probably use to get a little bit louder. It's not like a deal breaker. They get plenty loud, but I just wish that I could turn them up slightly more because of the fact that these are not blocking out sounds around you. So if you're around a lot of people that are talking or a busy environment, that kind of sound is coming in, and usually you can offset that by turning the volume up, in which with these I couldn't do. I turned it up loud and I could still hear it, but so many other things that were going on around me was still coming through on this pair of headphones that it just felt like a little more volume would be needed to block some of that out. So sound wise, as far as sound separation, don't expect anything like wide and special here. These are a simple on the ear, closed back type of headphones. So it really does sound like your sound is here and not so much just spread out amongst you. But don't get me wrong, even though these feel plastic like a toy and feel like they could break at any minute, the sound is really good for $50. So for $50, I can highly recommend them based off how they sound, but just know that you have to put these on a pillow like really soft and walk away every time you use them, because at any given moment, this could snap, this could snap, this could snap, this could snap, something can catch and rip this. Like anything that could possibly go wrong, there's a chance that it could go wrong. I'm just saying be careful with these, but for $50, it's gonna be really hard to find a very small on-ear pair of Bluetooth headphones that have the bass impact that these do, which obviously Skullcandy is really good at. Also have plenty of life in the highs, and mids sound really good. Again, I think I'm just nitpicking, but the fact that these are $50, it's a really good price. It's a really good entry Bluetooth headphone for people that like all types of music. All right, guys, so that is my quick review of the new Skullcandy Riff Wireless. Again, a Bluetooth pair of headphones, 12 hours of battery life. You even get rapid charging, but you can only use them in Bluetooth mode. So keep that in mind. So guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. Thank you so much for checking out all the other videos. And as always, guys, make sure to stay tuned for more.